I'm Joey Only for Interior Weather and Wilderness Watchers, and we're going to go up on Island Mountain today and cut some trees down. But we have some cool weather moving in at the same time. You can see right now already just some of the advance of this next little squall line that's going to come through. Have a good picture of there if you can. Go. I think up on the mountain we'll meet it. Whoa, when you're ready. Go. Here we can see, like we were expecting today, that whole line of snow to move across the provinces. You know, we've had a couple hours of clear skies that were a little bit surprising. When you look at this coming across Jack Club Lake, you can see the wind's picking up. It's going to be a little bit aggressive of a line when it slams in here. Now, hopefully we can get some work done up on the mountain. We'll see. Pretty dark in back this way. We have a little bit of time. Getting cloudier, getting darker. We're up on Island Mountain now, Wells, British Columbia. Probably up around, getting close to 5,000 plus feet and climbing. Trying to get some work done before this weather slams more snow in tonight for us. At this elevation, it will be snow.
Hey, bullshit. Nothing but shit, eh? What do you think? Yeah.
So now we're up on top Island Mountain. I've been following some trees. We got the squall line finally showing up out there. And when you look over, when they point the camera that way, you'll be able to see the snow coming in across the valley. It looks pretty nice. It's going to get windy and maybe some hail, sloppy and shitty, and we'll see how much work we can get done. I don't think it's too bad for me, but I don't know. You might want to decide. We're doing lots of unsafe things. Do as I say, not as I do. It's a nice tree. You don't see a lot of pines that are so solid in the middle anymore from these beetle kills. Can't even see Cow Mountain across the way anymore. Down below us is Jacket Club's Lake. If you're at the right angle, you'd be able to see that. And we're getting some of the little bit of wind here, and it's kind of like ice pellets coming down. It's not so bad. We'll see what it's like in 5 minutes. Nice subalpine spruce. We're at 5,500 feet here in the mountain. On this side of the mountain, the forest tendency is spruce and balsam. I've had better cuts, but hey, she felt perfect. That's what I do in my spare time. And this snow is right on us to stay. It's going to be around for the next 24 hours. It's hard to look this way to load the truck because it's kind of like a sleet, like a kind of hardness to it, an iciness to it, and it keeps hitting me in the friggin' eyeball. But my glasses are so fogged up, I can't wear them either. Anyways, we're pulling trees for old Pam today, and well, good old-fashioned snowstorm. You're watching Interior Weather and Wilderness Watchers, only